All right, let's kick it off since it's 12:52 and we want to stay on time for our first talk as well of the second session. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome to the award ceremony. That seemed like a really busy interactive session. I really hope you got a chance to move through the breakout rooms and talk to all the amazing researchers who submitted their work. Um, I know I missed the kind of one-on-one and small group interaction from the real world conferences. So I hope we were able to recreate a little bit of that. It's now time to move on to an equally exciting part of the workshop, which is the award ceremony. Before moving on, I'd like to very much thank the awards committee for moving around among the breakout rooms and submitting their assessments to us of all the submissions. So we had Professor Giovanni Beltrame and Professor Giuseppe Loiano evaluating the e-posters, and Sean Wilson and Dinesh Thakur making evaluations on the video submission. So many thanks to them for their efforts. So the evaluations were primarily based on real world impact and presentation quality. And so from what I hear from them and looking at the scores, it was a pretty tough decision given just the high quality of work that everyone has done here. But yeah, I think it's time to move on to our first category of award, which I feel like I'm hosting the Oscars when I say that. But the first category is the Best Poster Award, which is sponsored by ClearPath Robotics. And the prize for this award is going to be their Dingo D robot, which is prime for swarm robotics applications. But before we announce the winners, we'd like to show you a short video that ClearPath prepared for us.
Hi, I'm Mariko from ClearPath Robotics. I hope you're enjoying the ICRA sessions so far. We're very excited to be sponsoring the Swarm Robotics Workshop today and wanted to take a brief moment to let you know what we've been up to over at ClearPath. This could help you in your multi-robot research. Not too long ago, we welcomed a new member to the ClearPath family, Dingo, our smallest and most cost-effective indoor mobile robot platform. Dingo is an excellent choice for multi-robot systems and swarm robotics research because, like our other platforms, Dingo is fully extensible, programmable, and ROS supported. It has a compact design and, most importantly, a lower price point. If your next project looks like it'll be headed towards the great outdoors, Dingo's rugged and weatherproof older brother, Jackal, is also ready for the job. We recognize that a solid, reliable networking system is critical for multi-robot research, and our team can help you choose the right network station and provide expert guidance on network configuration. We also have a ton of accessories and supporting hardware in our online component store to help you fully customize your robots, including LiDARs, cameras, IMUs, charging kits, and more. So if there's anything our team can do to help you with your next research project, please be sure to check out our website and get in touch.
Right, wonderful. And so the winner of the Best Poster Award is, Gennaro, can I have some drum roll for some effect here?
For sure.
Let me repeat. And the winner is Decentralized Intelligence, Surveillance, and Reconnaissance in Unknown Environments for Heterogeneous Multi-Robot Systems. by Ki Myung, Brian Lee, Felix Kong, Ricardo Canizzaro, Jennifer Palmer, David Johnson, Chanyol Yu, and Robert Fitch. So many congratulations. You would have gotten a thunderous applause if this was in real life. But you have to be okay with the sad single clap here. Perfect. Awesome. I think Gennaro will now do the honors for the second category.
Indeed, because this was not all, actually. So our second award category is the Best Video Demonstration Award. And this is for folks who submitted videos showing off their robotic platforms in action, which I hope you enjoyed during the interactive session. And obviously, we would have hoped that this would be like an in-person presentation with real robots seen live. But we'll certainly plan that for future events. So this award is sponsored by BigCraze, as you see, and they're giving away their Lighthouse Swarm bundle with 10 Crazy Flies and the Lighthouse positioning system, which is just being released on the market. And I think before we move on to the award winner, let's just watch a very short video made by BigCraze for us.
Hi, we're BitCraze, and first of all, thank you to the organizer of this great Swarm Robotics workshop. So we're located in Sweden, and we develop and sell the Crazy Fly. The Crazy Fly is a small quadcopter that only weighs about 27 grams. It fits right in your hand. And you can use it to fly it in your lab, in your office, or even in your home. The Crazy Fly can be controlled by a number of programming languages. We also maintain open source firmware and software for the Crazy Fly, which are both in Python and C. And it also contains a lot of features and functionalities that are contributed either by us or the rest of the research community, making the Crazy Fly a very versatile product that are used for a lot of applications. Universities around the world are using the Crazy Fly in different types of research fields. One of the most spectacular ones are the robotic swarms, using different kind of positioning systems to fly a swarm autonomously. We've seen some amazing videos using our quadrotor, even up to 50 drones. We have recently developed a new way to fly indoor swarms with our Lighthouse Swarm bundle, which is actually one of the awards for the workshop. The Lighthouse positioning system is our latest method of positioning on the Crazy Fly, and thanks to the SteamVR base station that we're using as optical beacons, positioning information is directly available in the Crazy
Gennaro,
Your
I think
office.
we lost video. Oops.
So that's
It's good now.
all for us for BitCraze. Thank you for listening to us, and above all, good luck to the nominees of this workshop.
All right, and the winner of the Best Video Demonstration Award is Mosaics, a Swarm of Robot Tiles by Manihan Alaf Nawi, Sabine Howard, and Paul O'Dowd. Congrats, all folks, and I think you should enjoy and make good use of this prize. All right. I think that brings us to the conclusion of the award session, and let's see, we can now move.
Well done, everyone.
Congrats, everyone.
Congrats.